Welcome back to FAB Automotive Detailing. In this quick video, we're going to do a 1-month update on the Adams Polishes paint coating kit, the ceramic coating kit for the paint that I did on the 2017 Dodge Journey. I hope I'm in the field of view here because I'm doing it on my phone. I have to turn around to show you guys. But it's pouring down rain here in Greenfield, Indiana, and it's been 1 month, and I want to show you guys the water beading action. See if I can zoom in on my phone. You guys can see how hydrophobic it is. I really like this already. It's rained on it a couple times. If you look down here, it looks like the doors aren't even wet. I can't take you out there. It is absolutely pouring down. I don't get my foam soaked, but that is really, really cool. The hood tells the whole story though. Looks great. When it gets done, you can actually take a dryer. I have this little dryer right here by Ryobi. It's a new one I got on Black Friday. And it doesn't have a lot of power, but it takes the same battery all my other ones do. And it will dry this car in like 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes, no exaggeration. The water like just floats on the hood as you hit it with the blower. It just kind of just goes right off the hood, no problem at all. Let me see if I can show you guys. Screw it. I know it's raining, but if I can hold this camera straight, watch this. See that? Isn't that crazy? If I do this correctly in editing iMovie, because I've never edited iMovie before, but that's what I'm using my phone to make this. I should have stopped the video where I blow dried the car. I am actually back home from work. That was on my lunch break. I'm back home. It is finally done raining. I had already made this scene, but I recorded it wrong. It was the other way for some reason, even though I was holding it sideways, so hopefully that works this time. Well, let's go ahead and blow dry it. It's pretty much done raining. I want to show you guys the hydrophobic effect of this ceramic wax with the ceramic boost. This stuff just glides. I mean, it just comes right off the paint. You can dry this car in no time. And that is just unreal. Let me show you on a car that doesn't have ceramic coating what this blow dryer does. It's not very good. See that? I mean, it works okay, but nothing like this. Let's go back here to the very back. I mean, it's crazy how good it looks, you guys. All the beading on the paint. It's just crazy. Love it. Look at all this. Big old bubbles of water. Let's just blow it right here from this corner. Look at that. It's dry to the touch. I mean, it's still sprinkling out here right now. But this stuff works so good. Like I said, you could dry this whole car with this little blow dryer. It's a Ryobi or Ryobi, however people pronounce it. I don't know. In 5 or 10 minutes, seriously. I mean, look right here, this headlight. I ceramic coated the headlight. That's it. Water's off of it. I mean, it's still raining, you guys, so understand that. But let's show you up here. Like I said, 5 or 10 minutes, you can blow dry the whole car. I am absolutely... We got a new washer and dryer, by the way, so that's why this one's out here. Those aren't normally in my garage. Like I told you, you could dry this 5 or 10 minutes, and that is no joke. The whole car, no problem at all. You'd only need a towel for the little pieces that, you know, come out of the cracks, like around the fender or around the doors, the mirrors, stuff like that. And obviously, I'm not drying it right now to make it clean. It just got done raining. This is just for demonstration purposes. But you can dry the whole car in no time, and I love it. It is so hydrophobic. I can't wait to put a ceramic paste wax on it and make it even more hydrophobic, you guys. And I keep saying you guys for some reason on my videos, I apologize. I'm just excited. When I get excited, I start getting all geeked out. I'm really excited about this ceramic coating on this journey. So hopefully if I edit this right, we'll go back to the original video. Wish I could show it to you better than that, but that's about the best I can show you right now as far as the drying is so simple on this ceramic coat. Now I have not washed it yet since I did the ceramic coat. It hasn't needed it. It stayed pretty much clean. I did do a waterless wash, with Adams waterless wash. It worked phenomenal. It worked so good, you guys. The waterless wash by Adams Polishes. I love it. That's one of my favorite products from Adams Polishes. And I talked to MK6 guy, and he said because I talked about doing a rinseless wash, and he said, no, all you have to do on ceramic coat is just do a waterless wash. So I did it, worked great. I have not put any ceramic boost on it since I put it on. This is the ceramic boost that I put on the video you guys saw me put out. So anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, 1 month update of what the car looks like, how the ceramic coating is holding up. It repels water great. When you're driving down the road, the water just like comes right off the hood and off the other panels, works awesome. The protection levels are unreal compared to a wax or a sealant. I mean, I've never used a wax or sealant that does this, but obviously it's a ceramic coat, that's why it's doing this. It looks really good. And there's the 1 month update, and I'll probably do like a 6 month update or something like that. I plan on buying some ceramic paste wax as well. And, you know, I can't wait to put that on because I heard that makes it even more hydrophobic and more gloss. So I am going to buy that. They're having a sale right now. I'm going to buy some of that, and we'll do a video on that in the future. So just want to let you guys know, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button while you're down there. Hit that bell so every time I upload a video, you get notified. Don't forget, every Saturday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go live, and hope to see each and every one of you there.